two small circles, a color sheet, a folded paper like this, and this much big rectangle paper. Then we need a glue, a pencil, and a scissors. So let's begin. I am going to take this sheet and I am going to fold it like this. In the other side also I am going to fold it. Then we should fold it like this. Then in this side we should fold it like this. Then we should turn it and fold it like this again. Now we are going to take this sheet and now I am going to fold it like this. Now I am going to make it into a dog's ear. I am going to draw it. Now I am going to cut. Now I've got two of them, so I will keep them aside. I am going to take the small square paper and then draw a small spot so I can stick it behind one of the eye. Now I'm going to cut it. Done cutting it. Now I am even going to keep this aside. Now let's draw the nose. Now let's cut it. This is the dog's nose. Now I am going to make the tongue. You can choose any color of your tongue. I chose blue and pink. Now, let's glue all of these. We have to stick it right here. And the other one we have to stick it here. Now let's do the tongue part. Now I'm going to stick the tongue over here. In this part we have to open here and then put glue. I'm going to stick it. Next, we are going to stick the eyes. Now I am going to stick the spot. Now I am going to glue the another eye on top of the spot. Now I will stick the nose to the dog hand puppet. I am going to draw a smiley face. Now let's draw dots on the cheeks. Let's draw a dot on the dog's eye. Now our dog puppet is ready. Now let's see how it works. This is my colorful dog hand puppet. I hope you like my video. You can even try this at home. It is fun and very easy. Thank you.